Hey everyone! Welcome to today's English practice session. In this session, we are doing a shadowing exercise. It is one of the most effective ways to improve your English speaking. It helps you train your tongue to avoid slippage and builds muscle memory so you can speak smoothly and respond naturally in real situations. Just repeat each sentence out loud after the beep. Try to match the tone, rhythm, and flow as closely as you can. Let's go. Can I help you with that? Can I help you with that? I don't understand that very well. I don't understand that very well. Do you have a minute now? Do you have a minute now? The time is almost up now. The time is almost up now. Could you repeat that again, please? Could you repeat that again, please? Please be quiet in the library. Please be quiet in the library. I want to learn English well. I want to learn English well. That is a very good idea. That is a very good idea. Can I ask you something quickly? Can I ask you something quickly? What's the name of that place? What's the name of that place? I have a question about this. I have a question about this. The pen is on the table. The pen is on the table. Let's go to the next class. Let's go to the next class. Be ready at 5 o'clock today. Be ready at 5 o'clock today. The answer is in the book. The answer is in the book. I have to leave now, sorry. I have to leave now, sorry. Where is the name on that? Where is the name on that? I am not sure about this. I am not sure about this. The weather is nice today, right? The weather is nice today, right? What's in that small box there? What's in that small box there? Please be careful with your phone. Please be careful with your phone. I need to talk to someone. I need to talk to someone. The door is open right now. The door is open right now. I want to go with you. I want to go with you. The bag is next to me. The bag is next to me. What time is the next bus? What time is the next bus? I saw that in the news. I saw that in the news. Be on time for the meeting. Be on time for the meeting. That place is far from here. That place is far from here. I have no idea at all. I have no idea at all. Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? What do you have in there? What do you have in there? The lights are off right now. The lights are off right now. I want to ask one thing. I want to ask one thing. Please be on your best behavior. Please be on your best behavior. I think that is a mistake. I think that is a mistake. The phone is in my bag. The phone is in my bag. I have to go right now. I have to go right now. Can I come in with you? Can I come in with you? Be sure to bring your ED. Be sure to bring your ED. That word is new to me. That word is new to me. The box is full of books. The box is full of books. Let me be honest with you. Let me be honest with you. I don't have the right answer. I don't have the right answer. The train is late again today. The train is late again today. Could you write that for me? Could you write that for me? I am in the same class. I am in the same class. This is part of the lesson. This is part of the lesson. Please be patient and stay calm. Please be patient and stay calm. The room is too cold today. The room is too cold today. I think I know that one. I think I know that one. The book is under the chair. The book is under the chair. Can I take a short break? Can I take a short break? Be sure to finish your work. Be sure to finish your work. What does that word mean again? What does that word mean again? I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you. The meeting is at 10 sharp. The meeting is at 10 sharp. I want to go out later. I want to go out later. I have no time for that. I have no time for that. Let's be clear about the rules. Let's be clear about the rules. The question is easy to answer. The question is easy to answer. I saw that on the board. I saw that on the board. He's in the room right now. He's in the room right now. The pen is next to you. The pen is next to you. That is not what I meant. That is not what I meant. I have to read this paragraph. I have to read this paragraph. Could you say that more slowly? Could you say that more slowly? I'm in the middle of something. I'm in the middle of something. The rules are on the paper. The rules are on the paper. I need to be there early. I need to be there early. Great job, everyone. You've just finished the shadowing practice. Today we explored the first 10 words from the 3,000 most common English words, which are essential vocabulary for everyday conversation. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review each word and its meaning. This will help you understand the words better, so you can use them in your everyday conversations. Ready? Let's get started. Our first word is the. We use the when we talk about something both people know. We use it before names of things, people, or places. Like, the bus is here. Our second word is be. We use be when we talk about someone or something, like a job, a feeling, or a state. Like, I want to be a doctor. Our third word is to. We use to when we talk about going somewhere or doing something. Like, she goes to work. Our fourth word is of. We use of when we talk about something that is part of something else. Like, a piece of cake. Our fifth word is and. We use and when we want to connect two or more things. Like, he speaks English and Spanish. Our sixth word is a. We use a when we talk about one thing, but not a special one. Like, I have a pen. Our seventh word is in. We use in when something is inside a place or space. like, the phone is in the bag. Our eighth word is that. We use that when we talk about something not very close, or something we mentioned before. Like, that store is good. Our ninth word is have. We use have when we talk about things we own, or things we do. Like, I have a meeting. Our 10th word is I. We use I when we talk about ourselves. Like, I like music. That's all for today's 10 words. You did something great by learning and practicing with us. These valuable steps will help you speak English better every day. Try to use these words in real conversations and keep practicing them often. Do a little shadowing practice every day. It really works over time. You are doing well, and we are happy to be part of your language journey. If this session helped you, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Please tell us where you are from and what you think about this session in the comments. It means a lot to us. See you in the next session. Thank you.